You guys, I got the most badass marker you've never seen before. Oh, just wait, just wait. Can you wait? Can you wait? Roll the thing. What is up, guys? My name is Billy. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see speed drawing, tutorials, speed paintings, product reviews, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Come on, just hit it. Just hit it real quick. I dare you. I dare you. And you can follow me on Instagram too. It's where I post all my content after these videos get done, you know? You got an Instagram? Everybody's got one. Go follow me on there. We can be buds. But man, oh man, do I got a video for you today. I picked up some legendary markers, y'all. I have never seen these markers in my life, and they're gonna change my life. They're gonna change my whole world. Or they're gonna be absolute dog crap and something that I won't use. But without further ado, don't look at it too hard. Where is it? What is it? What is it? Check it out, y'all. These are limited edition glitter POSCA pens. You have never seen these, or maybe you have. And if you have, it's a sight to be seen. Goodness. You guys know the drill. You've seen my other videos. If you have, I have all the colors of these bad boys except these. I didn't have these. I didn't even know they existed. In fact, when I first started dabbling in POSCA pens, I thought there were only like the primary colors. I didn't know there were different shades of those colors. And then I saw these bad boys on Amazon. Now, I don't know the quality on these. These definitely, I don't think these are like fake. It says POSCA. The branding is kind of strange. But we're gonna find out. I'm gonna find out for you. Glitter in the paint. You hear that? You hear that? So if you don't know, POSCA pens are acrylic-based markers. It's basically acrylic paint. It's in the form of a marker. So you're not really painting with a paintbrush, you know what I mean? You're using a marker. So it's literally like using a marker. Paint comes out of it, bro. And these have glitter in the paint, bro. Comes with green, light blue, royal blue, purple, pink, coral pink, I think. Is that a coral pink? Like the video if you like it. Dislike it if you disliked it. Subscribe. I'm gonna try to make a dope little artwork using these. I am trash, so I don't know how good it's gonna turn out. But thanks for watching.
You and me stuck on the ocean now. Nothing but waves in this filling in. I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not care. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not care. We do not all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not care. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not care. We do not. Yesterday we could be ourselves. Didn't have much, but nevertheless we were true to each other. But now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we do not care. Chasing all that we don't have. Chasing all that we do not care. We do not all the way back home. Chasing all that we do I always knew we could do so many great things. So believe in me, I believe in you. And I just feel that this will be an upswing. So hear me out. I know we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel
There it is. What do you guys think of my stitch? To be honest, I probably should have tested out the colors before choosing Stitch, because I think his colors are kind of off, but to be honest guys, I would say that these glitter POSCA pens are just decent. The quality isn't really there like your traditional ones. The nibs on the tips are pretty small, and I don't think they're really intended for large pieces on canvas, but either way, I don't think the glitter makes that much of a difference, to be honest. As you can see, I used some regular POSCA markers for the rainbow behind Stitch, and there's not really a clear distinction to me anyway, but thanks for watching. Until next time, see ya.